If a girl says any of these phrases to you, it's because she wants to take things to the next level, and you might not even realize it. In a previous video, we discussed the clearest signals that women give to men when they want more intensity in a relationship, but today we are going deeper. There are specific phrases that women use in addition to the signals we've already covered. Some of these phrases are a bit subtle, while others are more direct, depending on how much she likes the guy and how well he can interpret what she is trying to convey. So in this video, you will learn 5 phrases that will give you an edge over other men, ones that you might not even be aware of. Pay close attention to each of these phrases, as they mean much more than you might think, especially the last 3. But before we start, don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button. Not only will this support the channel and allow me to create more content for you, but it will also motivate me to continue providing quality videos. Let's begin. The first phrase, let's find a more secluded place. If a woman suggests looking for a more isolated spot, she is sending a clear signal that she wants to spend time alone with you in a more intimate setting. This suggestion is a direct invitation for you to get closer and share a special moment with her. Therefore, it's crucial to listen not only to her words but also to the feeling behind them. This is a moment of shared vulnerability where she openly expresses her desire to be closer to you. The second phrase a woman says when she is interested in you is, I feel like it's getting warmer. This phrase has a deeper meaning than it may seem at first glance. Not all women say it exactly this way, but one thing is certain, they are all conveying something much deeper than you might realize. Often, this phrase goes unnoticed and is not just about the room getting warmer or the sun shining. I assure you there's more behind it. When a woman repeatedly says this kind of thing, she is subtly expressing her interest in that man. She is trying to create a more intimate atmosphere. You should understand that she is hinting at feelings of attraction and even an emotional connection with you. It's an indirect way of saying that she feels emotionally drawn to you and that her feelings for you are growing. Even if it seems like a casual comment, repeating it indicates sparks between her and you. This is where many men fail to interpret this type of phrase or underestimate its importance. If this happens to you, it's crucial to show that you've picked up on her hint and that you're interested in following the same path she's embarking on. Show your best smile and stay tuned to what she needs. This exchange is like a delicate game where every word and action contributes to building a path toward a deeper connection. Responding correctly can open the door to a more intimate conversation, strengthening the bond between you two. Don't underestimate it. The third phrase women use when they want to get closer to you is, you smell really good. This is another phrase that men tend to completely overlook. However, what you need to understand is that scent is an incredibly important factor in connecting with a woman. It stays in her mind, and she will associate that scent with you. So every time she smells that particular fragrance, she will think of you. Now, when she compliments you by saying you smell good or that she loves your scent, you should feel confidently secure because it means much more than you might think. She is telling you that your presence is pleasing to her and that you have a positive impact on her. More importantly, she is signaling that she is paying attention to you. It's a clear sign that this woman is imagining something more with you. So appreciate that compliment and use it as an opportunity to strengthen your connection. If you've ever been in this situation, let me know in the comments. Now, let's move on to the 3 most important phrases that you need to pay attention to. Number 4, I really like this part of your body. This phrase takes things into a deeper realm, where both words and body language play a key role. When a woman compliments a specific part of your body, especially if accompanied by physical contact, she is crossing a significant barrier. Not only is she expressing her interest, but she is also inviting you to get closer and take the initiative. That's why it's important to acknowledge her compliment and pay attention to her body language. You can respond with a warm smile and a respectful, gentle touch. This reciprocity will not only strengthen the bond between you but also open the door to greater intimacy, creating an atmosphere charged with positive emotions. Finally, phrase number 5. One of the phrases you might hear when a woman wants to deepen the relationship is, "You look really good today." In our society, direct compliments about physical appearance are not very common and are usually reserved for moments of genuine attraction. If she tells you this, it's not a casual comment. It indicates that she finds you attractive. If you're on a date and she compliments your looks, don't ignore it. This isn't just casual chatter. She's telling you that she sees you in a special way and has an interest in you. A compliment like this is an implicit invitation to take things further. You don't even need to respond with words. Your body language can show your attraction and reciprocation. Don't miss these signals. If a woman says any of these 5 phrases to you, believe me, she wants to take things further with you. Don't miss out on the opportunity. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you'd like more tips, join the channel for exclusive content. Comment on this video with the phrase, "I am the best version of myself for women." By the way, if you're looking to evolve in life, don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribing. This supports the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or comments below. Express yourself freely and always maintain a positive attitude. See you next time.